In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sitemap in Yoast SEO. The process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll have your sitemap up and running in no time, helping search engines understand the structure of your site and improving your SEO performance. First, you'll want to access your WordPress admin. This is the control center for your WordPress website, where you manage all the settings, posts, pages, and plugins. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access the admin dashboard. Once logged in, you're ready to start configuring Yoast SEO to generate your sitemap. Next, navigate to the Yoast SEO settings. In the left-hand menu, scroll down and find the SEO option, then click on it. Under the SEO menu, you'll find a section called Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, look for Site Features. It's located within the General section of Yoast SEO. Here, you'll find various toggles for different features that Yoast provides. One of these is the XML sitemaps. XML sitemaps are crucial for SEO because they list URLs for your site, allowing search engines like Google to easily crawl and index your content. Locate the XML sitemaps toggle. It's very user-friendly and easy to spot. You'll want to ensure this toggle is turned on. When it's activated, you'll notice it changes to a purple checkmark, indicating that the feature is enabled. After enabling the XML sitemaps, it's important not to forget to save your changes. There should be a Save Changes button. Usually, this is located at the bottom of the settings page. Click it to ensure all adjustments you've made are stored. This step is crucial because failing to save changes might mean that your sitemap isn't actually activated, and the work you've done hasn't been saved. After saving your changes, you'll notice that a new link has appeared. It will provide you with the option to view your XML sitemap. Click on View the XML sitemap to open it. This should lead you to a page displaying your currently live sitemap. You'll see a list of the most important pages on your site that help search engines understand its structure. Make sure to check that all key URLs are included, as this enhances your site's visibility to search engines, ultimately aiding your SEO strategy. By following these steps, you've successfully created an XML sitemap using Yoast SEO. With your sitemap in place, search engines can efficiently crawl and index your site, making it more accessible and easier for potential visitors to find through search engines. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.